Question 39. Two netball teams, Team A and Team B, each played 15 games in a tournament. For each team, the number of goals scored in each game was recorded. The frequency table shows the data for Team A. The data for Team B was analysed to create the box plot shown. Compare the distributions of the number of goals scored by the two teams. Support your answer with the construction of a box plot for the data for Team A. So the first thing we're going to do is generate our 5-number summary. Now, straight away, the minimum score for Team A, I might just write it here on the side. So min score is equal to 19. We need the first quartile, we need the median, we need the third quartile, and we need the max score. And we know what the max score is, it's 28. We're going to use these 5 numbers to draw our box plot for Team A. So first thing we're going to do is put our calculator into stat mode. So mode 2 and then 1 var. Now notice that we need a frequency column. So shift, mode setup, okay, scroll down, STAT number 3 and then frequency on. Right. Now let's enter in the data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter in one column at a time. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So they're the scores. Let's enter in now the frequencies associated with those scores. So 19 is 1, 20 is 0, 21 is 1, 22 is 1, 23 is 1, 24 is 3, so let's enter in 3, 25 is 0, 26 is 4, 27 is 3, 28 is 1. So one thing I do just very quickly is just check to make sure that they're entered in okay or accurately. 19, 20, 0, 21, 1, 22, 1, 23, 1, 24, 3, 25, 0, 26 should be 4, 27 should be 3, 28 should be 1, so that looks okay. All right, so we know what our min and max are. Let's generate quartile 1 and median and quartile 3. Shift 1, min max number 5, number 3, Q1 equals 23. Now median, shift 1, min max number 5, median number 4 there, 26. Now the third quartile, min max number 5, quartile 3 number 5 there, we've got 27. We now have the data that we need to draw our box plot. So minimum score is 19, so I might just put a little dot there. Okay, quartile 1 is 23, median is 26, okay, quartile 3 is 27, and the maximum score is 28. So, okay, now let's draw it in. So, so we'll draw in the tails. Okay, now we'll draw in the box. Okay, please use a ruler to do this. And our median line. Okay, so a grid's provided, does make it a lot easier. To draw in. So there you go. There's our completed box plot for Team A. Let's analyse this quickly. First of all, we can see that the interquartile range, okay, hopefully you can see that, interquartile range for Team A is less than Team B, which means Team A is more consistent. Okay. Next thing to note is that the positioning of the two boxes, including their medians, Team A's box, okay, with their median is lower than the box for Team B. Okay, so that's which implies Team A performed, or we can say that Team A did not perform as well as Team B. Okay, something else to note as well is look at the whisker for Team A. It's clearly much longer than the whisker for Team B. So, and also the positioning of the median as well. So this implies that Team A's, the distribution for the scores of Team A is negatively skewed. Okay, so all right, so the lower tail is much longer than the upper tail for Team A, which implies a negatively skewed distribution. So that means potentially it could be a few players that might not be doing so well. Okay, whereby Team B shows a symmetrical distribution according to the box and whisker plot to the similar length whiskers. And the centrally located median. I've gone slightly over there, but I think that's fairly comprehensive.